So we're supposed to verify one side equals the other, so we're going to jump in and use the sum formula for sine. So we're going to have the sine of pi over 2 times the cosine of x plus the cosine of pi over 2 times the sine of x. Now sine of pi over 2, we've got the y value, that would be 1 times the cosine of x. So multiply. Plus cosine of pi over 2 is 0, the x value there is 0 times the sine of x, and 0 times sine is 0, so we just get 1 times cosine, which is cosine. That one was a pretty simple one. Alright, this next one's going to be a little bit more difficult because we've got to use tangent ones. So let's see here. Tangent, let's go with purple just to make me a little bit happier about using tangent. So tangent, we're going to go on the top here, we've got tangent of x plus the tangent of pi all over 1 minus the tangent of x times the tangent of pi minus, and the next one we have to use the minus one, so it's the tangent of pi minus the tangent of x over 1 plus the tangent of pi times the tangent of x. Alright, now we got to worry about the tangent of pi. So let's see here. Here is pi. We've got x is negative 1, y is 0. Tangent is y over x. So tangent is going to be 0. So this will be 0. These will cancel out to 0. 0 and 0. So in the left fraction, I'm going to have tangent over 1, which is just tangent, minus, and then on the next fraction, right here I have a negative tangent over 1, so it'll be negative tangent of x, and the two negatives cancel to be a plus, so it'd be 2 tangent of x, which is what I wanted. We're done. So that one wasn't that bad, just because tangent of pi is 0. And our last one here, we are supposed to solve for x. So it looks like I'm going to use my sum and difference formulas for sine. So we get the sine of x, the cosine of pi over 3, plus the cosine of x, the sine of pi over 3. Okay, then I'm at this plus sign, and now I'm going to use the difference formula for sine. So I'm just going to go down just to save myself some room. Sine of x, cosine of pi over 3, and then this will be a minus cosine of x, sine of pi over 3 equals 1. Now pi over 3, same thing as 60, it's tall, so the sine value is the y value will be root 3 over 2. Cosine will be 1/2. So then as I rewrite this, this will be sine of x times, cosine we said was 1/2, plus cosine of x, sine will be root 3 over 2, plus sine of x, cosine will be again 1/2, minus cosine of x, sine will be root 3 over 2, equal to 1. Now the cosine x root 3 over 2's are going to cancel, one's plus, one's a minus. And then for these ones I have 2 of them, so it'll be 2 times, then I'm going to move that 1/2 in front. Remember we can multiply in any order, so I'll just put my numbers together, equals 1. My 2's cancel, so sine of x equals 1. And remember, sine is the y value, and sine equals 1 at pi over 2. So x is going to equal pi over 2.